Excuse me. Busog sa kape. Hey guys, good morning. I'm in my small garden drinking my coffee. Nice kayo. I have a feeling. And this is my cute garden. Ah, wala rin yung picture dito. Picture ko. Bunga. It's believing. Good morning, guys. I feel hot na. I'm not hot. I feel hot. That's the right. Right. Sabi taga na. Right or wrong, ganun. Right words. Words! Ay, basta. Bye. Have a nice day.